Cockpit, this is radio. You pilots ready for takeoff? Yes, sir. We are ready for takeoff. We are in the cockpit now. We have ourselves on the throttle. Yes, we're in the cockpit. We're pushing the pedal. I am. He's the co-pilot. Nothing on the road. I'm pushing harder. Co-pilot, you take over. No, you're doing quite well. You keep going. Shh. Shh. This is radio. Fly approximately above the sky. We have liftoff. This is pilot flying. We have liftoff. We are above the sky. Radio. Everything's doing great. Flaps down. Wings good. Engine good. People fastening the seatbelts. We're just in the sky. The wind is 120 kilometers an hour. The temperature is 32 degrees. The time is 2:21 a.m. You had fun, we had fun, we had fun.